Veriff is the quickest way for your customer to prove to you that they are who they say they are. But how do you get Veriff, and how do you use it once you've got it? That's where Veriff Station comes in, your starting point with Veriff. In this video, we'll show you how to integrate Veriff's Android SDK with a simple project. So, let's start Android Studio first. Let's create a new project. I'll select an empty activity and let's give it a name. Now, I'll go to the root build Gradle file. Here I need to add a new Maven destination, and I can find this from developers.veriff.com. Under integrations, I'll select Android SDK integration, and here is our Maven destination. Let's copy this one and go back and just paste it. Next, we need to add a dependency to the application's build Gradle file. So, under app directory, I'll select the build Gradle file and I'll add Veriff SDK to the dependency section here. Let's take this from the documentation as well. So, we added Veriff SDK dependency to our project. Now we can try to trigger the end user flow and see if the integration is okay or not. So, let's go to main activity and trigger the end user flow. I'll take the snippet from Veriff's developer documentation again, here, and let's put the code snippet to the main activity. And here I need to specify the session URL, activity and request code. We can set the activity as main activity. This can be different based on the implementation though. And I'll define a value for the request code. For this video, I'll just hardcode a session URL, but of course you can retrieve it with an API call. Alright, we're almost ready to go. Let's sync the project. Then let's build the project. And okay. Let's see. So, we successfully integrated the Android SDK. End users can now start the session, they can select the country, select the document type, and proceed with the flow. I'll close the recording now, and in case you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. If you'd like to learn even more about Veriff and Veriff Station, you can visit us at veriff.com. Thanks for watching, and happy veriffing.